A wildfire in Nevada has forced evacuations. Al Jazeera reported that 42,000 people were evacuated. Al Jazeera reported that 45,000 people were on alert. Al Jazeera reported that 6 people were injured. Al Jazeera reported that the fire was human-caused and under investigation. France 24 reported that 14,000 people were evacuated. France 24 reported that a state of emergency was declared. France 24 reported that firefighters were struggling to contain the fire. Guardian reported that the fire covered more than 15,000 acres. Guardian reported that 42,000 people were under strict orders. Guardian reported that 45,000 people were in an evacuation warning zone. Guardian reported that 6 people were injured. Guardian reported that the fire was human-caused and under investigation. Guardian reported that Governor Joe Lombardo declared a state of emergency. Guardian reported that 400 personnel were working on the incident. Guardian reported that 10,000 homes were without power. Guardian reported that portions of U.S. Route 395 were closed. Guardian reported that the fire approached the University of Nevada campus. The exact cause of the fire has not been established.